Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It's well equipped with the features you need: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, AM/FM stereo radio, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Take it for a test drive today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.